Today is the last video of the April challenge and we've made it. I've made it. And first, I want to thank you guys for watching the April challenge. If you watch all of my videos, thank you so much. If you even watched a few, if you even watched one, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I can't believe I've survived this whole entire April with posting one video except for one day. One day I didn't get to post one video, but it's okay. I was in a hotel and the Wi-Fi wasn't really good. It was hard to upload the video, but it's all right. We only missed one day out of 30 days. So if you're watching this and you're new here, my name is Jewel Alexandra. I am an entrepreneur balancing my full-time 9-to-5, being a wife and also being a boy mom. And I am trying to grow my business, which is a resort wear lifestyle brand called Eltenaj. So I've survived the April challenge, which I challenged myself to post one time per day long form content on YouTube. And the goal was to build a momentum, because I wanted to build up the momentum and the consistency. I wanted to challenge myself to do that. You know, they say 21 days create a habit. Hey, I did 29 days. So I did want to build up the momentum and show myself that I can be consistent, and that same energy can be transferred to anything else that I do. So that was number one. Number two, I wanted to build up my YouTube channel. I wanted to get monetized, but honestly, we didn't get monetized yet. I did gain a couple followers, and we did get more views, so that helps out. The watch time helps out with getting monetized, but we didn't get monetized, which is fine. That's okay. The goal was really to build up that momentum, and I'm really glad that I've built up that momentum, and I am trying to transfer that same momentum into something else. Since you guys are watching this on April 30th, I'm actually recording it on April 29th, and this video is basically going to be talking about what I'm doing next and what that goal looks like next. So this month, you guys see me go to Costa Rica. You saw me sewing, learning how to sew. You guys saw me do a home organization project, a closet reset, a fashion haul, which I should do more fashion hauls, because that video actually got I think the most views out of all of the videos. So another fashion haul should be coming soon. I'm just trying to figure out what brand to do. Maybe I do my own brand as a fashion haul. But yeah, you guys seen me do so much. And this month, honestly, May is going to look like, one, I'm going on a cruise. So I'm going on a Mother's Day cruise with my mom. This is my second Mother's Day, not including when I was actually pregnant. This is my second real Mother's Day. So I am going on a cruise, and I'm taking my mom on a cruise as well, because we used to travel every Mother's Day together, whether it's a staycation or it's going on a cruise or something like that. So every Mother's Day we would travel together, but we haven't done it in a while, because I feel like every year is something new. Either I'm moving one year, either I'm getting married another year, either I have my son in 2024, 2025. Obviously, that was he was not even one yet. So a lot of things always have been happening where we haven't been able to take our trip. So we're finally going on a Mother's Day cruise, and it's crazy because it's 2 weeks after Costa Rica. But I'm excited still, because I still need a break and I still need a vacation. So my husband and the baby is staying home, and me and my mom is going on a cruise. So you will see that content in May. So another travel content. You also will be seeing me building up my brand. So I'm going to be talking about Eltenaj a lot more. Again, I want to do a fashion haul for Eltenaj as well, so that you guys can see the kind of styles that we do have. And then I want to show you guys in real time the behind the scenes of me building up this brand. So I don't want to say my goal yet of what I want to make for the month because I do want to map it out first. So once I map it out first, I'll release the actual goal, and that will probably be the next video. But my goal is to make some money in May for sure. My goal is to make some money in May. Last month we made, well, this month in April, we made 2 sales, but they came from friends and family. So I count them as a sale, yes, but I want to attract other people. But we also made sales on Whatnot. So like if you saw my previous videos, I've been on Whatnot, and my first show went really well. I ended up doing 5 different sales, and it felt good because like one thing I did, the thing is I didn't do it with a strategy. I just was like, one day, like I felt like God was nudging me in that direction, and literally it was the week after my pop-up shop closed down, the exact week after. So it was on a Tuesday, last Tuesday. I decided to go live on Whatnot and actually sign up, then go live, and had no strategy and only went live for about 45 minutes, but I made 5 sales. So after the fact, I realized that people were like, oh, Whatnot really pushes your first show because they want you to get hooked on the platform. If I knew that, I would have stayed on longer. I would have did a different time, but hey, it is what it is. Maybe it's all lesson, and it's also a blessing too, because I made those 5 sales, and it also got me out of that mood of me being discouraged, me being depressed about wanting to quit my business and all that, because like I dealt with that whole thing literally that week before. And it was very emotional. It was very out of the blue, and it was a lot. So April was a lot. Like if I think about April was good and bad in the same time, but also it was lessons, right? The pop-up shop is no longer. So now the strategy is to focus online, because obviously I want a remote business. I want something that I can run from home. And then eventually, maybe if the right opportunity comes up or the right location comes up and everything aligns, then a store will be possible in the future. But so I think with Whatnot, like my strategy, what I've noticed is that it's a lot of buyers that are looking for things for cheap. And eventually, like the buyers can be more quality buyers where you have like, I don't know, 200, 300, 400 people in your live, and you can start a sale at $1, and then it will go all the way up to like, I don't know, 400 or not even 400, like 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I saw one girl, she was selling like this Gucci like hand thing, and she started at $1 and it went all the way up to like $600. So I was like, ooh. But the thing is, she has loyal followers. She has loyal people that come to her lives, and she's built that reputation and that clientele. So I think eventually I think right now the focus is maybe do 1 show a week, and that 1 show will be me selling things that I have 0 cogs on. So like I have a couple free people things. I have swimwear. I have like really cheap things like beauty and all that. So it'll be those things that I have 0 cogs on, and I can like do it every week and try to sell those things and build up that momentum. But I have to decide on what day of the week it would be. And then from there, then when I get loyal customers and I get loyal clientele, that's when I introduce my brand, and I can say, okay, this is the brand, this is what we sell, this is the prices, this and the third, so that they know, okay, like she's really she's selling things that are, she's like building a brand now. But I think the main focus right now is online, and I'm gonna prioritize online more. So we'll see how that works out. So in May, that is the goal. So the goal is in May is to be consistent with my brand, to have more consistency within my brand, to talk about my brand more out loud, showing up and all that, just like I showed up here on YouTube this month. And yes, you guys will see more about my brand. Yes, you guys will see more about obviously my sewing journey, because the goal is to sew for my brand as well. So if you guys love that and you guys want to follow that, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like this video. And also the cadence of the videos will be changing this month. So we will be posting videos on Wednesday and Saturdays. Wednesday and Saturdays at 7 p.m. So just know, like, we are slowing down the pace, of course. I'm slowing down the pace, of course, of how many videos come out a week. But at the same, they're going to be quality videos, and maybe it'll be my whole week I'm filming or all together, or maybe it's that cruise trip all in one video. So it'll be more quality videos. So I'm excited to share that with you guys. And I just want to thank you guys again. I am so grateful to have completed this April challenge. And I thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and subscribe and like. Bye.